Everybody knows kids in the back seat cause accidents. Accidents in the back seat cause kids. No back seat, no accidents. Single cab. The funniest part about this entire truck is that it was cheaper than the pit bike. What's up guys, welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. As you can probably tell from the title of the video, I did end up purchasing a truck. Booker and I are bringing that home today. Julian did a great job with last week's video. Gonna try to give you guys a little bit of a schedule. Obviously today is the truck video. Next week is gonna be another E36 video. Then we have a pit bike video and then another Julian video. And I'll try to keep you guys updated after that. I have a lot of things happening between now and the beginning of June. Pittsburgh Car Scene Steel City Expo is June 4th at the Monroeville Convention Center, so I have to get the sketchy cart completed as well as the E36 completed between now and June 4th, which gives me right around 4 months. So let's proceed with this video. It's a big day for Horsepower and Pizza, kids. We have the Rowdy Hand Company second gen Broke Cowboys Club hoodie on because we're going to pick up my second gen. Where are we going, Booker?
Doing truck things with my truck friends.
If you follow on TikTok, you've already seen this. Booker has already seen it and driven it. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
The second gen. It is the cheapest second gen that I could find, as you saw in the title. It's got a honeycomb grille, so it's basically a Huracan Performante, because Lamborghini's known for doing that. A little bit of rust, full utility bed, one rocker that needs replaced. I'll show more of like the body when I have the graphics taken off of it because I bought it from the company that I work for. I'm not sure they want to be tossed on video, but we appreciate them anyhow. You want to hold it while we get a cold start?
I like cold starts. Is this thing on?
It's already on.
Oh shit. What's that smell like?
Diesel fuel.
Hell
and
yeah.
freedom. Hell yeah.
Just need a little bit of stripper glitter and Bud Light and we got her going.
Yeah, she's got a full utility bed. This bitch, what'd we say it is? It's like 13 foot long.
Oh, roughly.
It's long. The whole truck's like 20 feet long. I love it. It's gonna suit our purposes. I bought it to tow the trailer and I don't know if we're gonna tow the trailer with it. So we'll at least use it to take the sketchy cart and the pit bike places, and I have plans for it. Eventually the 12 valve's gonna get yeet right out of it and dropped into something else, but we'll burn that bridge when we get there.
He wants to do diesel things too! Hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
So she's home.
She's home. She is a 12 valve Cummins, so you know what's coming next. Give me 1 second. Yeah, she's been home for 5 minutes and it's already dripping shit in my driveway.
You get that on these big jobs?
We'll have that on these big jobs. We named the truck.
What's her name?
Her name is Big Hoss because
You really call a lady Big Hoss?
she's a big Hoss. Yeah. Not to be confused with Big Hoss, like the CNC manufacturer. More on that coming soon.
Oh, is she cold?
It's a little cold out.
Oh yeah.
You'd never know it because
You're dressed like a child.
Yeah. You'll have that on these big jobs.
You do get that on those jobs of reasonable size. And what's this?
I want to apologize to all y'all. I said we'd have more Subaru videos.
Psych, I lied.
Mainly Booker and I doing the wheel bearings, which we did. We just didn't film it. It did pass inspection, which meant that you had to wait at least another year for rally car content.
What's that thing then?
That would be a 2019 Hyundai Elantra.
Is it yours?
It's mine. Subaru decided it was going to overheat on the way to work like 3 days in a row, and I drive far too much to have an unreliable daily driver, so I went and copped that.
Nice. You like it?
I love it.
Good.
It's reliable, it's cheap, it gets like 35 miles to the gallon, and it has a warranty. That's the
Ooh.
first time I can say that since I had my VRZ.
There you go.
But yeah, we got a 12 valve Cummins.
What's that?
That's my trailer.
Oh.
We're gonna do drift car things and drift things and pit bike things. And
Shoot, you got all the new things.
Buddy, we had so much fun stuff this year. I can't wait to share it with all of you guys. Booker and I ran out of daylight yesterday, so I'm gonna give you the rundown on the truck now. Full aluminum utility bed. It is a 3500 dually. It was a welding rig at one point, so there's bottle racks here. There was a welder generator on it at one point. Full ladder rack and tie down system. I don't know, a bunch of D-rings. There's a lot of room to put go-karts and pit bikes and things of that nature. As you already saw, it does need one rocker on the driver's side, but other than like the flaking paint and clear coat, the truck itself is fairly clean. The seat was reupholstered at one point. Probably the rarest part of a second gen is a dash that is not cracked. It is 5-speed for a 96. There are only 226,000 miles on it, and I don't think anything screams white trash quite as hard as Tasmanian Devil floor mats. I'm not really sorry about that statement. It's a standard stock 12 valve. It's got a whole set. It's actually kind of rare that they still have the valve cover vanity plate. I don't know, it's fairly clean for what it is. It's a 26-year-old diesel truck. What do you really want? I think I would like something newer to tow with. So whether or not this is the truck that I am going to use as a tow rig, I'm not sure yet. I also wanted a 12 valve to swap into something else, and it was cheaper to buy the whole truck because this was the cheapest Cummins that I could find available. I plan to drive it and use it to haul sketchy cart and pit bikes and things like that. It is very cold outside today. Follow along, see what I do with this truck. It was too cheap to pass on, and everybody loves a good cheap 12 valve because they run on like 2 wires and combustion, and if you need to pull it apart and reseal it, rebuild it, everything else, it's like $735 in parts. So yeah, that's gonna happen at some point, I'm sure, because it does have oil everywhere, as you already saw. Overall, super happy with my purchase of my first diesel truck, and hopefully this just kind of digs that rabbit hole a little deeper, and we're gonna get into diesel things on the channel as well. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want to support, head over to horsepowerandpizza.com. Follow along on all social media platforms at horsepowerpizza. Peace out, build it for you.